Hi, welcome to BlindOwl Outdoors. We hope you enjoy our channel, and if possible, could you please join our Patreon page? We really need your help. It's been a long, hard road. Thank you.
Hi!
Welcome to BlindOwl Outdoors!
Today I'm going to show you a couple of my favorite knives that are extremely useful. And this is, of course, a Swiss Army knife, Victorinox. That's how you say that. I don't know what model I have here, but it has two knives, a saw, a screwdriver, the can opener, bottle opener, leather punch on it, a hook, and a corkscrew. And I've had it for a long time. It also has the toothpick and the tweezers in it. Very fine knife though. The steel on it's real nice. Keeps a real nice edge. But what I really wanted to show you is this knife. Now this is also from the same company, Victorinox. This is a florist knife. And all I can tell you about this knife is, first, it's small and thin, very light. It's inexpensive. I think it's around $15 is all. It comes in, the handle comes in many different colors. And what's really nice about the blade is it's just a one-sided blade with the edge on it. So it's just like a straight razor. And it is so easy to keep this razor sharp. My family back home in America, they had greenhouses and florist shops, and this is the knife they've always used for the last 30 years. And it says on the blade Mattern. I don't know if that's the model of it, but if you want to carry just a regular pocket knife to supplement your bushcraft knife, the only thing I can say that's not perfect about this knife is it's not a lock back, but I don't think it's that important. For any small task, whittling, kitchen work, it is absolutely fantastic. And again, it's so easy to keep sharp with a one-sided blade, one-sided edge. I'd have to highly recommend it. Well, that's all I have for you right now. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Take care.